What up, everybody? This is your boy Will, and another episode of Will of the Market. Stick to your profit targets. That's what we're going to be talking about a little bit today. Because I hit it out the park. I did really good, actually. 241 on 6 trades. Here you can see Google got me, and then I believe Nvidia. Nvidia did catch me off guard. But at the time of this recording, my contracts would have been a lot higher had I held on to them. However, I was able to finish the day off in 45 minutes with $200 in profit. So 45 minutes, $200, perfect with a small account size portfolio. So now we are at 2070. First trade of the day. This time I'm going to go in a different order because Nvidia I did lose next, but it's later in the day, so I wanted to go over the first trade I actually made first. So I actually took a 955 put at 955 at a 121 put. So basically on this big candle, it kind of came between the area of the 20 and the 8, between in that zone. It pushed down pretty heavily, and I was like, okay, this is my entry. So boom, I went in there. At 55.47. So basically there was 13 more minutes for this candle to close. I had seen enough. It already took over this. So I just jumped in here, put my stop up here above the bar where I'd entered. Gets close to my stop, right? You definitely can see that it gets close. Did I close the Epic Pen? I did close the Epic Pen. Let's get it back on screen. Wherever it's at, it's not showing itself. Come on, pen. I was just having a good rundown. All right, no pen for now. But basically, if you can follow the mouse, got close right here in this zone to hit my stop. But then it starts breaking down. Then from this, I was actually pretty nervous on this candle because I was kind of hovering around my 20%. I think it was like 15%. No, I wasn't even hovering there because I was like in here. So this was kind of like chopping with me a little bit, but I was patient. I was very patient. This started off as a green bar. It was a pretty big green bar. And I was like, oh crap, we might reverse here. But then it reversed into this red bar. As soon as I saw it reverse in this red bar with 10 seconds left before the bar closed, I hit it again with another contract, and I doubled down on what I saw was going back, and I'm hoping to get back to the lows, right? And what happened? Next candle opens up. I'm able to get out in 1:35 for the first 20% profit. Then again, I got out in the same candle for another $7 more, which was still in the 20% profit range. Then on the next candle, I kind of put a stop. I wanted more because we didn't get down to days low. So I put a stop in here. And I said basically if it recovers half of this candle, I'll get out for my remainder stop, keep my 20%, which it did. Ended up going back up, getting me out. So I closed that trade. Overall, pretty good trade, right? Definitely decent. I wanted the low of day, so let's go to my lost. So still looking at Nvidia, I'm like, okay, I want to get my low of day going. This was a trade I lost of 58. So I waited. So as I saw this, the price moved back up. I'm kind of looking around at this point, looking for more plays. Price moves back up again. So now it's in here, and now I can see the same thing that happened over here happen again here from the 20 EMA. So I was like, okay, 20 EMA is not done. It pushes it all the way down here. As soon as it took out that green, though, is when I should have bought. I didn't. I bought literally with 2 seconds left for the candle to close. I could have maybe gotten in 40 or 20 seconds in earlier. 20 seconds earlier would have gotten me probably that another 20%. So I hit the buy here. It goes down a little bit. My stop is above here. Goes down. This wasn't 20%. This was close to 20%. So my blue is what I should have done. So I think I was at like 15%. I should have just took it. I should have noticed also that that we didn't hit the low of the day. Like, it wasn't trying to take out a new low of the day. So that's when I also realized when it went back and up, I should have just sold whatever I had at this point in time, whatever profit I could have had or break even, I should have just sold, because this next candle should have definitely been another sign to sell. But you know, you never know. You never know what could have happened here. So I stayed in the trade, and then I got, you know, stopped out here as I should have. So taking a good loss. Honestly, it's a lot of this game is taking really good losses. Okay, so I am going to stick to taking good losses. Another trade loss here is on Google, the bear U-turn power. So it starts off going up, then it hits back, then it goes up, comes back a little bit. Then I see this big red bar come in. So literally I buy my first position at 306.01 and 306.2. So basically the start of this next candle. Looks like it goes up a little bit, then it comes back down. So when it went up a little bit, I was probably down a little bit of money, but my stop's all the way up here. I believe when it reverted all the way down here in this move right here, I was up about 18%. I didn't hit the 20 yet. Didn't hit, goes up, keeps grinding up, boom, hits my stop, I'm out. Great lost. Is what it is. Microsoft. So this was a very good trade, very, very powerful. I saw the first candle shoot up from the two, kind of not exactly from the 200, but it's pushing from 200, right? The 20 mover average said no, knocked it down a little bit. Next candle. So then I still saw the strength in here. So basically I jump in on this next candle. I think around this candle, I'm in this candle in a minute and 30 seconds in this candle right here. So the price was probably up here, and I was like, okay, we're getting through the 200. So then it reverted. This scared the crap out of me. Didn't hit my stop yet. Didn't hit my stop. Then I noticed that this bar kind of went pretty heavy and crossed right over this bar. So I just jumped straight in. I just jumped straight in for another 2 contracts, averaged in. Boom, this bar hits, goes up. That's my first 20% sell. I noticed it pulled back here, so I sold another one. I was like, okay, we'll see. Then the next bar rockets up. I hold content not to sell there because I say, oh, look, we're going up to day's high. We get into this bar. I took off a little bit more because it was just the profit was at 30 or 40%, so it was really good. And then it started to reverse on me. I saw this candle come in, so then the next candle I let it open up just a little bit, and in 30 seconds I saw it kind of reverting, and I was like, nope, I'm done, I'm out. So I'm out. Took my wins. Huge play for the day. I could have let the last one ride, which would have been smart, because I should have been like, okay, well, we have the 20 moving average now, so let's see how we do against it. Holds it, bounces up, holds it. Here, I remember seeing this, and I went for Airbnb instead of this play, which is Airbnb's next, but I should have definitely went for this play. Boom, hit in as soon as we crossed over. We confirmed we got the 20 moving average on our side. Boom, we confirmed. Green taking out red. Enter some more contracts. 1, 2, 3 into highs. Huge profit. Didn't play out that way. I went for Airbnb, which is the next trade actually. So Micron coming up. Micron, I got a better entry than I thought. I put late entry here because I technically would have wanted to be in on this this candle right here. This candle was the 938 into the 940. Instead, I got in at the 940 to 942 candle, which is this candle, which probably gave me a better price because I'm going in calls. But my reason for this is you can see this Super Saiyan bar just bust through all of these moving averages. It said, boom, 200, no, 20, no, 8, no, you can't handle me. I'm up, I'm above. So I wanted this because we're above everything, all moving averages. I bought into this next candle. All right, we get the shot up, boom, 1, boom, 2 candles. Now I can start taking profits. I'm at that 20% mark, took 20% here. And then I saw this forming. That was a nasty wick. I said, you know what? I'm out. And this one too. Boom. Out there again. And as you can see, that move quickly led to more downward pressure all the way almost to the day lows. So I got the trade on the upside as quick as I could. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, the 20% can come from a few candles, guys. Few candles. Another trade I took. Okay, so this is actually Airbnb. Yeah, you can see the ticker on the bottom, Airbnb. I don't know what it says, Micron up there because I forgot to change it. But as you can see, look at this huge volume here from the start of the day. It's the 5-minute chart. We went all the way up here. So this is the first move it decided to make. Inside of this first move, you can see that this is the top third. This would be the middle. And this will be all the way back to the bottom. So we came into the top third and it held. 2 big reds, no more follow through. As soon as we kind of got over this, my entry was a little bit late. Yeah, it was 13 seconds late. It should have been at this green candle, not on this red candle, but 13 seconds late. Bought in, put my stop right under here. Held through this grind. It was very boring. It was definitely like watching paint dry because Airbnb it barely moved. The contracts were just kind of like sitting there. And then finally we get a pop up. I'm not at my 20% yet. Boom, next pop up, 20% take. I sold 2 right there, 20% because I had 4. Boom. I should have sold this last candle because I would have. Oh wait, no, because I remember the contracts getting up to like 102. So for me to get a 80, I guess the 81 should have been a 102. So, but the 98 was the last exit right here on this red, which was good because it was day highs. As soon as I hit day highs, honestly, I should have sold out of both of these, or I should have just sold out waited on the 23 one because, oh, it looks like I sold 3 candles. Oh wait, so I sold 3 in this first candle right here. So I sold I sold 75% of my position. Wasn't a bad move, but I definitely should have 50'd, then wait, then got out another one, and then hit that last one. So that was the Airbnb. That was the last trade. Hope you guys are enjoying this recaps. It helps me a lot. I am watching my videos every morning before I start just to make sure, like, hey, what did I do wrong yesterday? What did I do good yesterday? And I'm gonna keep that momentum going. If you guys have any questions on my trade approach, what I'm doing, just let me like, comment, subscribe. Join the family. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.